Hi, it's Sharon. Today we're going to talk about mindset shifts around cravings. So a healthy relationship with food and other aspects of our lives is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. This is key to calm your cravings. If we view food as our enemy, which needs to be restricted and avoided, we're setting ourselves up for failure. Empowering yourself with tools to improve recurring situations in your life, such as cravings, allow you to decide. Sometimes you may choose to go forward and enjoy that ice cream, and no guilt should be attached to that. I do that. It's not about being perfect. One of the most important mindset shifts we can make is to view food as fuel. It's fuel for our bodies. This means we should focus on eating foods that will nourish us and provide us with the energy that we need to live our lives. This shift in thinking alone can help us create a healthier relationship with food because it takes the focus off of restriction and deprivation. Nobody wants to live that way. There's something powerful about taking a good look at each area of your life and seeing where you're unsatisfied. As I talked about before, emotions like stress, boredom, and loneliness can kick your cravings into high gear. I use a wellness wheel with my clients that has all the aspects of life, from relationships, money, spirituality, etc. This helps to give you a roadmap of what to work on to create balance, harmony, and fulfillment in all areas of your life. This is an important exercise that is included in the Calm Your Cravings series. So if you've followed along with this series, I would love to know if any realizations came to you, if you had any little aha moments. Please put them in the comments below. Thanks so much.